name is June and Jessica from Purity Aesthetics. Today we'll be talking about one of our most sought after aesthetic treatment, the laser hair removal. We all struggle with unwanted hair, right? Whether it's your underarms, upper lips, lower face for women, chest, back, or the bikini area. A hair removal survey results showed US women waxing 1 or 2 times per month will spend an average of $23,000 on hair removal during their lifetime. That's a lot. That's a lot of money. And a recent study suggests that women will spend approximately 72 days of her life simply shaving legs alone. That's 1,728 hours. That's not including the other areas we normally shave. So what would you do with that extra time? I don't know about you, but I can certainly find something useful to do with that extra time. Just imagine no longer having to think about shaving every day. Imagine not having to deal with the aggravation of stubble and razor burns. Imagine an extra half hour in bed most mornings. We know your time is valuable, which is why we always advocate to ditch that razor and choose lasers instead. This is one of the best investments you can make with your money and time because the final results are permanent. Jessica, can you explain how the laser hair removal and our Clarity 2 laser works?
Yeah, I'd be happy to. Laser hair removal uses selective photothermolysis, which involves numerous factors like creating thermal injury, absorption of light, wavelength use, pulse duration, and the amount of energy that is delivered to the target area. When laser light is directed at the hair, the energy is absorbed and converted into heat. This results in effectively damaging the follicle and inhibiting future hair growth. While laser hair removal can be effective for most skin types, it's especially effective for individuals with light skin and dark hair, as the laser is able to target melanin in the hair more effectively. And the technology behind laser hair removal was developed in the 1960s and has advanced significantly over the years. Just to name a few types of lasers out there on the market, there are IPLs, Alexandrite lasers, diodes, and ND YAG lasers. Each of these lasers carry their own set of characteristics that make it suitable for targeting specific conditions, hair type, and skin type. For instance, the ND YAG laser would be considered safer for darker skin tones, as it penetrates deeper and has a longer wavelength, resulting in minimal damage to the surface of the skin, while effectively targeting the hair follicles. In addition, what's great about our Clarity 2 laser is that its dual wavelength capability, allowing us to treat both lighter and darker skin types.
Now let's talk about how many sessions you'll need and how often. Well, it's important to understand that there are 3 phases of hair growth cycle. Laser hair removal is most effective during the anagen phase of hair growth. During this phase, the hair bulb is actively growing in the hair follicle. This phase can last up to 6 years, with approximately 80% of all your hair being in this anagen phase at the time of your treatment. The remaining 20% of hair follicles are dormant and will continue to produce hair at some point. This is why multiple sessions are necessary because not all hair is in the same growth phase at a given time. With the Clarity 2 laser, since it's very powerful and highly effective in hair removal, we generally see an average of 15 to 20% overall reduction of hair with each session. Therefore, we recommend a series of 6 treatments, spaced 8 weeks apart, depending on the area to be treated. You will need to do 2 to 3 maintenance treatment a couple of years down the road to make sure we get that extra 20% of hair that were dormant during your time of your laser hair removal treatment. Can you walk us through what is the treatment like?
Yeah, so absolutely. The treatment is pretty quick. Even large areas can be treated in less time using Lutronic's proprietary IntelliTrack as opposed to other lasers. So just to show you guys, this is that. IntelliTrack. Lutronic hands. And it's exclusive to only just the Clarity machine. During the treatment, you'll wear protective eyewear and the treated area will be mapped out. Based on your comfort and whether or not PFE or perifollicular edema is present, will determine your end settings in that session. After your treatment, you'll notice mild redness or swelling similar to a light sunburn, which usually subsides within hours. And what's unique about this treatment is the Clarity 2 utilizes a built-in cryogen-based cooling system to enhance patient comfort and protect the skin during laser treatments. This system works by delivering a short, controlled burst of cryogen. Think of it like a cooling spray to the skin just milliseconds before and after each pulse. The cryogen rapidly cools the upper layers of the skin without affecting the deeper layers, where the laser energy is targeting pigment, hair, follicles, or blood vessels. This cooling mechanism that the Clarity 2 has serves two key purposes. It significantly reduces discomfort during the treatment and minimizes risk of thermal injury to the surrounding skin. As a result, patients typically describe the sensation as a quick, warm snap rather than a painful or burning feeling. This dynamic cooling allows for a higher energy levels to be used safely and more effectively. This makes the Clarity 2 treatments both more powerful and comfortable than older laser technologies out there. And after your treatment is done, we'll discuss post-care, go over any questions you have, and have you rebooked in 6 to 8 weeks. We'll have you in and out in no time.
Okay, so now let's talk about the pain associated with the procedure. Many people describe the feeling as similar to a rubber band snapping against the skin. You will feel a slight heat sensation as well with each laser pulse, but this is very mild, very tolerable. Like Jessica mentioned earlier, the Clarity 2 uses cryogen to cool the skin down. In addition, we utilize a chilled air to make sure you're comfortable throughout the whole entire procedure. Overall, there is minimal pain involved, but very tolerable. Most of our customers would rate their pain as 1 to 3 on a scale of 1 to 10. So what are some of the side effects and contraindications? With most aesthetic treatment, laser hair removal also carries some risk. Possible side effects include discomfort around the treated area, mild swelling around the hair follicles, temporary pigment changes, especially in those with darker skin tone, and first-degree burn. There's also a rare condition called paradoxical hypertrichosis that can occur in some people with underlying hormonal conditions. Some contraindications to laser hair removal includes pregnancy or breastfeeding, current use of Accutane, retinols, or certain medication that increases photosensitivity. If you are actively tanning or recently had prolonged exposures to the sun, those with active infections on the skin or cancer, tattoo on the treated area, and if you have a pacemaker or metal implants. Of course, there are other contraindications, but we will need to evaluate them on a case-to-case basis. Jessica, can you talk about how to prepare for their procedures and what kind of aftercare should they follow?
Yes, so pre and post care is important, guys, so listen up. Getting ready for your Clarity 2 laser hair removal treatment is like prepping for a mini spa day with the added bonus of, hey, you get smoother, hair-free skin as your reward. So first things first, give your skin a little vacation from the sun. What that really means is no tanning beds, beach days, or self-tanners for at least 2 weeks before your appointment. We really want your skin in its natural state so the laser can work safely and effectively. Also, be sure to shave the treatment area the day before your session. But skip waxing, plucking, or using depilatory creams. Your hair follicles need to stay intact so the laser has something to target. Also, let's hit pause on those strong skincare products like retinols, scrubs, or acids for about 3 to 5 days before your treatment. Let's think clean, calm, and ready to laser. And after your Clarity 2 session, your skin again might look a little warm or look slightly pink, totally normal, usually gone within a few hours. What you can do is you can apply a cold compress or soothing aloe vera if needed. And look, this is your perfect excuse to skip the gym or hot showers for a day or two. Most importantly, sunscreen. Sunscreen, sunscreen. It's your non-negotiable. Your skin will be a little bit more sensitive to sunlight, and we want to protect those amazing results. So for the next few days, keep your skincare simple and hydrating. Absolutely no scrubs or harsh actives, just love and moisture. And lastly, let's stay consistent with your sessions. And before you know it, you'll be rocking that silky smooth, low maintenance skin. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you're ready to ditch the razor, skip the waxing, and enjoy smoother skin with less hassle, Clarity 2 laser hair removal could be exactly what you're looking for. It's fast, comfortable, and safe for a wide range of skin tones. Clarity 2 makes laser hair removal feel less like a chore and more like an upgrade beauty. Don't you think?
Yeah.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our expert skincare tips and laser tips. And if you'd like to book or learn more about the services we provide at Purity Aesthetics using the Clarity 2, click the link below in the description. We'd love to help you achieve your skin health goals. Bye! Bye! Bye!